Hello viewers, welcome back again to this channel. Yes, right now we are working on this Mazda CX-5. I'm going to show you what problems we have with this car at the moment. We have one issue within this switch, the side mirror switch. I'm gonna see if we can actually fix this, or even if it's not that expensive, I'm going to replace it all at once. So I have already pulled out the control unit for the power windows as well as the side mirror control right here. I'm going to send it over to the electrical technician, see whether they can actually fix this issue. If not, we have to replace this unit completely. Alright.
Spion retrack. Kaca mirror. Kiri, bagian kiri. Power window di depan. Oke. Di belakang. Di belakang. Dan belakang. Kanan depan normal.
Alrighty guys, so it has been a couple of days and the technician has completed the repair for this control switch, and by the look of the video that he sent, he actually replaced one of the connection on the circuit board and replaced it with the diode on this controller for the side mirror. Let's go ahead and reinstall this back. Brilliant.